Now, in selling goods, you love you love your job. Uh, like for example, you're going to put up the business of baseball, and you want to make a cart on this rolling cart, and you love to um, go around selling baseballs to your neighbor. Next is practically versus impractical. Entrepreneurs need to determine if their ideas are practical, possible, which is possible to happen, or impractical, which is impossible to happen. For example, mm, you want to put up a to sell plants or yes plants, and it seems that you don't have this dream town, and you want this business to succeed. In order for you to happen this particular business, you have to hire a person who is actually good in managing these plants. So that's possible to happen. What about the impossible to happen? If you keep on um, pursuing that you will be the one to excuse me, to manage, that is impossible to happen because you don't know how to mm, take care of the plants. Next is a win-win process. Entrepreneurs should develop products and services for customers' satisfaction. They should always have a positive mind and thirst for business growth. So, what should we do is what would what would actually a businessman would do? First is you have to be um, a good. You have to entertain in a manner that the customer is actually willing to buy your goods. And if you are actually rude in servicing these customers, of course, customers will not um, buy again on your products. Next is the customer. The entrepreneurs must identify the different types of customers and the market demands to help them come up with um, smart promotional strategies. So there were 5 types of customers. The loyal, okay, meaning these are customers are often actually seen buying in your um, store. Then discount customers, these are also like for example, the senior citizens, they have this card that they will be actually um, be discounted. Another is impulse customers. Uh, you have to uh, this. You have to very you are sure that you can manage this type of customer in dealing with your business. Need-based customers. So you want to assist or you want to um, give the needs of this customer. For example, um, he needs paint for the wood. Um, so you have to assist because he needs it right away. The last one is wandering customers. These are actually customers that they don't have plan to buy. They kept on wandering inside the store. Um, in order for them to get the attention, you have to go to ask them in a very polite manner what she needs or what are the things that she's going to buy. So the customer is now um, replying to your what's this um, assistance. Next is products. The products and services must pass the regulatory and statutory standards of business organization to ensure the loyalty of the buyers. We have actually products that are fake. So be sure that your um, products are actually it undergone with the regulatory and statutory standards. Next is the needs and wants. Entrepreneurs' top priority is to provide the needs of most consumers, such as food, water, medicine, electricity, which are essential to life. Well, these are actually the basic needs of these customers that when they actually visited your store, you have this uh, kind of products that they need. Next is the strategies. What strategies? Walt Disney said, if you cannot make it good, at least make better. So promotional strategy is the heart of any business. It should reach the mind and heart of the customers. Some products are actually being seen in the TV, using the TV, the social media, in order that your products could reach them. Like for example, you are actually advertising Coca-Cola. These are actually the select ice creams. These are the products that that are being advertised so that the customers will be able to um, know the products that you are actually promoting. A good buyer. Consumers are those who buy and purchase products and services. Quality is the most important criterion in selecting products and services. So there are characteristics of a good buyer. Number one is he's a keen observer. Of course, he has to observe what kind of product is this made up of, especially when it comes to shoes. Is it actually the leatherette or cow's leather, or pure leather, or whatever leather it was actually been used. No. Okay. Next is well-groomed buyer. So well-groomed buyer is actually there are actually in, a type of buyer that is actually um, in good grooming, dress well, wearing shoes. So next is a mindful buyer. She always actually ask about what are the side effects of this if she's going to buy. The clever buyer is the one who always actually asks the receipt of whatever she purchased. Strategic buyer. She has his own style of choosing the right products. The customer's right. The customers have the right to choose the products and services that they want to buy with fair and just price. Okay, so when they enter the store, you will not let them, you will not ask them to choose the one that you like, but let the customer choose what is good for her. Next is they have the right to complain. Of course, if the bottle is already open, or there's something that was actually been damaged in the product, they have to complain. Next is they have the right to demand for payment for returns or in exchange of goods. For example, um, you purchase the products and you have not noticed that there was already a damage. When you reach home, that's the time that you actually seen the damages. So you have the right to return it to the store. The buy and sell products are the following, meaning whether it came from a garage sale or an auction sale. What are those products that being auctioned? Number one is antiques. These are old items. Clothes, appliances, books, second-hand books, computers and gadgets, sometimes jewelry items that are actually being owned and it was not, it that jewelry that was owned was not actually been paid. So it can be auctioned. All of these that actually found in the garage are in an auction sale are actually second-hand. Okay. If you have some questions, please write it. Please write down in the chat box and then answer we have a quiz after this. Please answer the quiz. Please, you can write it, and you can actually directly write it in the paper that you have in your table.